Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Universal Folk Tarot by Anita Inverarity. This is published by US Game Systems, retailing for $34.95 in the US. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. And thank you so much to US Games for sending this my way. I am very excited because this is the same creator that made the Universal Folk Oracle that I absolutely love. It's just stunning. It's gorgeous. So I finally have the tarot deck to match with it. So very excited. All right, Scottish artist Anita Inverarity created the Universal Folk Tarot based on the Waite-Smith framework, interwoven with narratives from world folklore and mythology. The deck and its universal stories are rooted in healing energy and deep, compassionate understanding, yet also offers the opportunity to work with the shadow self. For each card, the characters are gifted with animal and crystal companions that bring their own particular medicine and vibration to support readers on their journeys. The 244-page illustrated guidebook explores the lush symbolism and meanings of the 78 painted-edged cards. Oh, I'm so excited. This packaging is stunning. Really pretty, and I cannot wait. 244 pages. Oh my gosh. Ooh, she is very thick. Wow, and it's color. Okay, and the cards are like an oracle size. That's really cool. Okay, so before we get to the cards, we want to take a look at the guidebook real fast to see what information, if any, that we need to know before utilizing this deck. So we do have a table of contents that goes into each of the card meanings and suits. Using the cards goes right into the meanings there. Just want to see the back. We do have spreads. Okay. This tarot deck lends itself very well to most spreads, as well as standalone meditations, daily inspirations, and affirmations. Outlined here are three of Anita's favorite layouts. Universal Folk Tarot will happily interact with other tarot and oracle decks in your spreads, especially Universal Folk Oracle. Nature and crystal-based decks are highly recommended for compatibility. We have a single card meditation, 3-card spread, and then the Celtic Cross spread. And then we have about the author, artist, and acknowledgements. Very cool. We also have like mythology references and landscapes. So if you're interested, check that out. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm going to unwrap this and I'll be right back. All right, here's the back. It is a linen. That is really cool. And then black edges. Nice. So it's like an oracle size, like we said, and I like that because now you can see all of the artwork is expanded. I love that. And now at the bottom here, we have the title and the number associated. All the little mushrooms. This is a deck that every time you pick it up, you're going to find something new. This is so pretty. So much detail. I'm still getting those great intuitive hits. Seeing the symbolism. Cute. Oh. So pretty. It's such a unique art style too. Heart and feather. Wow. The eye. Cute. There's just so much. But like, it's a great thing because this doesn't feel overwhelming. It's almost like it touches the subconscious in your mind to where like you see everything that you need to in an instant without recognizing that you're seeing everything in an instant. If that makes sense, let me know. The tone of the colors change. I really like this. Oh, we've got a little keyword here. It's just so pretty. All right, on to the pentacles. And the swords. And the wands. Okay, I don't think I talked about the cardstock, but it is US Game System cardstock. Very flexible, snaps right back, but it's not super thick and it's not super thin. It's right in that sweet spot. So let's see how it shuffles. Oh yeah, very clean. I do want to try to shuffle it this way, just out of curiosity. Oh, you still can. Nice. And last, let's check this way. Yes, very nice. All right, let's get a card to read, please. We're going to read for the Tower. All right. Keywords: change, destruction, chaos, trauma, sudden upheaval. Crystal: black tourmaline, grounding, protection, absorbing negative energies. Destruction and chaos reign over the scene in the Tower card. Lightning strikes the tower and brings its walls tumbling down. The tower is decorated with statues and effigies from ancient civilizations, showing the severity of the situation. There is no coming back to a familiar place from the events unfolding as the foundations are being destroyed. The woman in the foreground is lying flat on the ground, clinging to faith. It is all she can do at present to survive and protect herself until things steady and the storm clouds pass. Right now, she is unaware that the bridge is still intact and the river flows calmly, which will ultimately lead her to safety. Two crows circle above, often signs of death or endings, but also hope through great transformation and change. Their presence here indicates that order will be restored at some point, just not in the way we expect it. Sparse new flora remains untouched in the foreground, ready to reseed and grow stronger. The Tower card heralds great change that is sudden, intense, and all-consuming. It can knock us off course and take us unawares, but such events are inevitable in our life, and we are called to surrender to them. Only then can we rebuild and remaster the new beginnings to come. Symbolic healing and guidance. Lightning is destruction, force of nature, transformational energy. The Tower, chaos and fragmentation. Cross, faith and hope. Bridge, safety, escape, guidance. Statues, loss of knowledge, perception, belief systems. Crows, death and transformation, alchemy. Very cool, but it keeps going. Upright message. This card indicates very sudden changes that are difficult and painful to deal with. There will be a sense of great loss and perhaps a period of suffering and readjustment. All indications are that this is a necessary part of your journey now, and the difficult events unfolding will bring profound long-term transformation. Whatever happens, you still have your faith, purpose, and integrity intact. If you let things dissolve and remain as centered as possible throughout this storm, you will emerge stronger and more resilient. There is indeed a way forward and a way to rebuild and start afresh. When we do this, we begin to understand the transformational aspects of change. Reversed message. The present trials and tribulations are proving very difficult to handle. You may feel like you are losing control and are being forced to examine everything you hold dear or thought to be true. It may be that you will need help or time to readjust to changes. Building resilience will come again slowly and surely. Just be aware that it is okay to reach out for assistance in getting through this transition. I love all of this in here, that it describes the artwork, and it does so in each of the cards, not just the major. That is fantastic. I think this is great for beginners because it gives you a complete breakdown of what's going on in the art as well as the energy behind the cards. The card quality is fantastic. The art is gorgeous. And there's one more thing that I would like to do is I just want to see how it looks with the oracle here. So there's the two tarot, and here's an oracle. Oh my gosh, I love it. Yes. Very cohesive. It makes a lot of sense to my brain, and I love it. So if you haven't checked out this oracle deck already, I'll link it in the eye. Highly recommend it. It's a wonderful deck to work with, and I'm excited to get to know this tarot deck even more. Thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this our way. I am very excited. And now I would love to know what you guys think of it. Is this something that you're excited about? Do you own the Oracle and now you got to have the tarot? Let me know all of your thoughts down below in the comments. I look forward to seeing them. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.